Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 29 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 2997, minimum number of operations to make array XOR equal to k. Okay, so in this problem we have given one 0 indexed integer array nums and a positive integer k. Okay, and in this nums array we can perform these operations, okay, any number of times. So first operation is we can choose any element of the array and flip a bit in its binary representation. Flipping a bits mean we can change a bit to from 0 to 1 or vice versa, and we have to return the minimum number of operations required to make the bitwise XOR of all the elements of the final array equal to k. Okay, so this is what we have to return. So okay, so now let's understand this with example 1. Okay, so let me copy this example here. So this is the example given to us. Okay, so this is a nums array. Okay, so first of all what I'm going to do here, first of all you guys need to know what is XOR operation. Okay, so let's say there are two values a, right, and there is one value b. Okay, and here this is my result. Okay, so result is nothing but my XOR operation. Okay, so here I am going to perform the XOR of two numbers a and b. Okay, so here if my a is 0 and my b is 0, then my XOR result of a XOR b is nothing but 0. Okay, if my number a is 1, if my number b is 1, then my XOR result of these two number is nothing but 0 only. Okay, and if my a is 0 and my b is 1, then in that case my XOR result is 1. Okay, and if my a is 1 and my b is 0, then in that case result is again going to be 1. Okay, so if any two numbers, okay, any two bits are opposite, then in that case the XOR result is 1. If two bits are same, 0 XOR 0, then in that case we have to simply return 0. 1 XOR 1 is equal to 0. Two bits are different, 0 and 1, so 0 XOR 1 is nothing but 1, and 1 XOR 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, so I hope that this XOR table is clear to you. Okay, so now this is nums given to us. Okay, so how I am going to write number 2 in form of bits. Okay, so let's write the number 2 in the form of bits. Okay, so for 2 I'm going to write it like this: 1 0 0 and 0. Okay, this is how a number 2 is looking like, right? And for 1 I can write it like this: 1 0 0 0, right? And 3 I can write this 3 like this: 0 0 1 and 0, right? And sorry, this is 1, right? So this is how I'm going to write 3. And how I'm going to write 4? So I'm going to write 4 like this: 0 1 0 and then 0. Okay, this is how I'm going to write 4. Okay, so now let's do the XOR of all these numbers. Okay, so see here, 0 XOR 1 is nothing but 1. Okay, number are different. 1 XOR 1, numbers are same, so I am going to write it 0 only, right? And 0 XOR 0 is 0. Okay, so here I am writing 0. Okay, so you can simply do this like this: 0 XOR 0 0, 1 XOR 1 0, so 0 is the result. 1 and there is one more 1, so 1 1 cancel out, it is going to give 0, and 0 0 is also going to give 0 only. Okay, so 0 XOR 0, again it is 0. Okay, so this is done. Now here 0 XOR 0 0, 0 XOR 0 is 0, and 0 XOR 1 is nothing but 1, right? And here everything is 0. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 0, and then 0 0 again 0, and then this 0 and this 0 again 0. Okay, so overall I'm going to get the output like this. So what is this result? So this result is nothing but 4, right? Okay, if I want to convert these bits in a number, so it is going to be a 4, right? So now I get the output as 4. Okay, if I do the XOR of all the numbers. Okay, so now after getting the result, okay, I did the XOR of all these numbers. My output is 4. Okay, so now let's do the 4 XOR 1. Okay, so this is the number that I need, right? And this is the result that I got by XORing all the numbers, right? So 4 XOR 1. Okay, so let's write again 4 in the form of bits. Okay, this bit value is 1, this bit value is 2, this bit value is 4, this bit value is 8. Okay, so number 4 is nothing but 0 1 0 0, And what is the value of this one? Okay, so for 1 this bit value is 1, right? So 1 here, and all other bits I am going to write 0. Okay, so now again do the XOR of these two numbers. Okay, 4 XOR 1. So what is the result? 0, 1 XOR 0, 1, 0 XOR 0, 0, 0 XOR 1 is nothing but 1. Okay, so this is the result, right? So in this result, how many bits are set? Okay, how many bits are 1? Okay, so I am going to write one operation which is going to tell me how many number of bits which are 1 here. So total 2 bits are 1, right? So this 2 is going to be my output. Okay, so these 2 bits just showing that this is the change that I need to convert my 4 to 1. Okay, so this is the change that I need to convert my 4 to 1. Okay, so this was the output. Now this was the output when I did the XOR of all the numbers, right? 4 4. Okay, when I did the XOR of all numbers, then this is the output. Okay, so in this output I want to make this output like this: 0 0 0 1. I want to make this output like this, right? Like this. I want to make this output like this. So to make this output like this, I have to change this bit, right? And also, okay, I need to change this bit to 0, and I need to change this bit to 1. Okay, so total 2 bits I am changing now. So if I do the XOR, so it is going to give me the result like this. Okay, so in this result I am just going to calculate the number of set bits. Set bits is nothing but the number of bits whose value is 1. Okay, so simple. Okay, so now let's write the code. So here, first of all, let's calculate the length of my nums. So nums dot length. Okay, and then after that iterate over each element. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and let's take one number. Int x is equal to 0, and here do the x is equal to x XOR of number nums of I. Okay, this is done. So here x is equal to x XOR nums of I, right? So here I am getting the result x as 4. Okay, for example 1. Okay, so after that we have to just calculate the XOR result between my x and the number k. So my x is 4 and my k is 1 in example 1. Okay, so I have to do the XOR between both the numbers, and then there is one function code has bit count. Okay, so in this bit count we can just count the number of ones, okay, in a number. So if I pass 1 here in place of XOR result, so it is going to give 1. Okay, and then in the end we have to just return the bit count. Okay, so now let's run the code. So see, all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit the code. So our solution is accepted, right? And it beats 100% of users with Java. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.